want you in there, Tegan. You don't want to get in there. Hey, get up there. You're sitting on the...
Oh, God.
Colton.
Colton. You are wearing.
My suit is floating. I think it's my suit floating and yummy, but it's not.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Watch out for the spider.
Hey!
Spider got on me.
There's now, you gotta go get your shoe.
I'll get it later.
No, it'll float away, Jaden. You better get it now.
Mimi!
What? No, not you.
Here's your shoe. Ah. Victory! Don't do that at home, kids. Tegan, get out the water.
That sounds terrible. That must
It's a big old truck.
Look at
Oh, see, they got their boat.
Cheese.